Number 3, we're going to test null sigma is 53 versus less than 53. Sample 23, known to be normal. We're going to find the test statistic first. And since we are using the variance, we got to make sure we square the standard deviation before we use them. So it's wanting to know the sample variance. So the sample standard deviation is 48.9. So I got to take and square that, 48.9, and I got to square it. 2 decimal places, but I'm going to just put this in there, the full thing in the StatCrunch, 2391, 21, 2391, 21, sample size 23, population variance 53 squared, $28.09, less than is the test. We're going to compute our test statistic, which is going to be 18.73. So 2 decimal places. If we decide to test at alpha is 0.05, options, edit. We're going to show the critical value 0.05. We're already there. And we get our critical value right here. It says critical, 12.34. Oh no, sorry, they want the p-value. P-value is 0.33, so about 33%, 34%. We're going to say it is greater than 10. Yeah, that's the bigger one. Greater than 10%. Will the researcher reject the null? So alpha is 0.05, p-value is greater. We fail to reject when the p-value is greater than alpha. So the p-value is greater than alpha, so the researcher will not reject the null. Four, we can keep going. We're going to test null sigma is 70 versus less than 70. Sample size 25, known to be normally distributed. Sample standard deviation is 50.1. We're going to find the test statistic first. Okay, so let's pull up a new sheet. Variance 1 sample with summary. We have to square the 50.1. That gives us 2510.01. So 2510. The sample size is 25. Population variance is 70 squared, so it should be 4900. And we compute. This will give us a stat of 1294. $12.29. I'm sorry, I mixed these numbers up. $12.29. P-value is given is 0.047. So 3 decimal place, 0.047. It looks good. 0.047. Oh, I put the wrong test. Sorry. Edit. We want less than. That's why I'm not getting the right p-value. There we go. 0.024. 0.024. We are testing at alpha is 0.01. So 0.02 is 2%. It is greater than alpha. P-value is greater than the level of significance. We will not reject the null.